Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build a boat in Heartopia. Before I start, I don't have the water feature, but if you do have that, you can add that on as the water, of course. Just don't have it. I've been unlucky. So anyways, let's start the video. We are going to need some flooring. You can color it to whatever color you want. Okay, I can't place it on because I already have this. So I'm just going to change the color of the water first. I'm going to place it here. So I'm just going to change that flooring color. I don't know why I selected that again. To a wood color. I'm going to color it this to match our stairs. We are going to use these for stairs. If you don't have these stairs, you can use any other stairs. Hopefully there's a hollow one, but I will be using the forest spell one, like so. All right, now we also need a low wall. I'm just going to place it here first. Then I'm going to just color that wall like a similar color to the rest of the boat. And I'm just going to take one here on this side, and we're going to extend it further up by one, and we're going to delete, we're going to delete this part at the bottom. Same as the one on this side. So hold on, let me just adjust this, and then there we go. And we're going to delete that bottom part of the wall. There we go. All right, next we are going to add some lighting to the boat. So let's go to, actually we will go to pillars. We need this one. And I'm just going to kind of turn it around a little bit, and I'm going to change the color of that as well. Here's where you can add any seat of your liking here. I don't have a lot of options, as you can see. I might just use this janky seat here. Oh my gosh, I can't even, what? Okay, apparently I can't use this chair on here, so we're going to find another chair. What about this one? Okay, I guess I can place that one, but obviously you're gonna want to get a better chair than me. And then I'm just going to add some string lights to each of the ends of the boat, like so. And then I'm also going to add some plants. Obviously how you decorate it is up to you, but I'm just going to add these ones to the ends here. One, and then another one. Wait, where did it go? Hello, did it go through the floor? I don't know, but we're gonna put one here. One, and then another one there. And then you can add more stuff if you want to, but I'm okay with that. And then we're going to then go to building material, and we're going to use the handrails for the boat as well here. Just gonna grab that to this side, and then to this side as well, and then this side. Then last but not least, we need the fence. Grab the wooden fence here, and we're going to place it on this side and then on this side. And that is pretty much it, really. Super cute. And I'm also going to add hold on. Where is it? Oh my gosh, it was here a minute ago. What? Oh, here it is. The Lotus Sea Lanterns just all around it. You can change the color of them as well, which I'm going to be doing here to just make it prettier. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, And also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!